So before we get into the weekly charts here, we're going to quickly go over the 4 support patterns and the 4 resistance patterns as a review of what we're looking for here. So our first pattern of the support is going to be a red, a blue, and a green. And we're going to draw our top line just on the body, the highest body of the blue candle, and then we're going to use the lower wick here for the bottom line. And then our next pattern is going to be a red, 2 blue, and a green. And we're just going to use the top of the 2 blue bodies and the lowest wick of the 2 blue candles. Okay, and then our third pattern is going to be a green, a blue, and a green. And we're just going to use the top of the body and the wick. Our last support pattern is going to be a green, 2 blue, and a green. And we're just going to use the highest part of the body here, and then the lowest wick of the 2 blue candles. Okay, now for the resistance, it's just going to be the reversal of the support pattern. So we're looking for a green, 1 blue, and a red. And we're just going to draw our lines just like this, the wick and the body. And then we're going to, on the next pattern, we're going to have a green, 2 blue, and a red. And we're going to use our lines just like so, at the bottom of the bodies for the 2 blue, and then the highest wick of the 2 blue. And then our third pattern is going to be a red, 1 blue, and a red. And we're just going to use the body and then the top wick here. Okay, and then our last pattern for the resistance is going to be a red, 2 blue, and a red. And we're just going to use the lowest body of the 2 blues and the highest wick of the 2 blues there. Okay, so there's a quick review of the support resistance patterns that we're looking for. And now we can get over to the weekly charts. Okay, we're going to start with the odd USD. You can see if we push down into this area, we're going to be looking for buys. No new resistance, but we are coming down last week, so we'll see if we can get a push down here and start looking for buys here on the odd USD. Let's check out the Euro USD. And we don't have any new support or resistance. Sideways right now. We are pushing down. We had a spike up here and a nice drop here last week. So we'll see if we can continue down here. And chances are not this week we'll reach down here, but the next week after we'll be down in this area. So we'll wait and just see what happens. Okay, that's the Euro USD. We'll have a look at the Pound USD. And it's still just grinding up here. So we'll just wait until we get a reversal signal. If this closes down lower here, we do have a nice pin bar for last week. So if this week closes low, then I'll mark this up as a resistance area. We get a retest up here and see about a drop down. Otherwise, just going to hold tight on the Pound USD. New Zealand USD. We did spike right up into this area and then drop. I don't believe I got short into this one, but if we do come back down into this area, I will attempt to go long here a couple times and just wait and see. Otherwise, if we get a deeper retracement up into here, I don't like to take it after we've already touched this and come down, but we didn't go too deep into here. So if we do get a deeper push up into here, then I'll try and go short a couple times. But more likely than not, we're going to come down into this area, and we'll see. If we just blow right through it, obviously I will remove the EA, but if we're hovering around in here, I'll try a couple times to go long. That's it for the New Zealand USD. USD CAD. No new support areas here. If we get up into this area, I'm going to look to go short. USD Swiss. We do look like we're going to reach this area here. As you can see, I don't have the alarm set, so we're gonna go down into the 1 hour chart here, and we're gonna right click, add an alert, once per bar close, and at weekly resistance. And it's created. We were set up there for that. We'll go back to the weekly chart. Now, if we do pop up through here, I'll be alerted and I will try a couple times to go short. That's on the USD Swiss. USD Yen, we've blown up through here, so we'll see if there's anything higher here. Don't see anything for a little ways. We'll drag up. And you can see we came down and we pushed back up into there, but I'll put the alarm and set up into there. It's a little ways away, so I'm just going to wait until we're given a new dynamic resistance area. So not really much on the USD Yen, so I'm just going to hold tight. The USD Swiss right now is about the only one that looks like I'm going to hit something and take a short. So anyways, we will talk to you guys later. Hopefully this puts a plan together. If you're wanting to get access to all the other pairs that I do a weekly support and resistance off of, or you like the indicator package, become a member and you can get the package via Telegram. All right, we'll talk to you guys later. Okay, I just wanted to give a quick preview here of the new trend report scanner, and this should be hopefully coming out this Wednesday when I update the indicator package. It'll either be this Wednesday or this coming weekend, but I wanted to just go over it here. I've done a couple trades with it. I've also updated the UFX trend report EA as well here. This is still the same one that's in the indicator package, but I do have the new updated one. I've just added a couple things and fixed a couple bugs within it, and that will be in the updated package hopefully this Wednesday as well. So let's just go over here. You can see the pound Aussie. If we look on the scanner, we can see that we're green from the weekly all the way down to the 30-minute, and it's giving a signal here on the 15-minute. It's gold with a green text here, 15-minute, and you can see we're between the moving averages. We've tried to get into ones here. It didn't get filled, the buy stop. It came down, so it canceled out this buy stop. Gave another signal here that we're currently waiting to get filled on, and it's coming down. So if this closes and gives us a reversal signal, it's going to close out this buy stop and then wait for a new signal here. So odd New Zealand we can have a look at. We're waiting to get filled on the sell stop here. Same thing. It did. We had a sell stop sitting right here, didn't get filled. Now we've got another sell stop waiting to see if we get a push down. If we look over on the scanner here, the odd New Zealand, we can see we're red right across the board here. So if it does get filled here, we'll see if we can get a 2-to-1 risk reward here. I am using the swing high and a swing low for the stop loss here, you can see, and I'm targeting a 2-to-1. So that's how I'm going to be sticking with these settings right here. I'm not looking for a higher high and a higher low, or a lower low and a lower high. I use this setting when I'm setting up the EA off of weekly support and resistance. So, okay, with the scanner strategy, I want to take the trades in between the moving averages. I'm not being picky with the higher high and the higher low, or lower low, lower high entries. So that's this one. The USD Yen is another one you can see here. Nice entry, and got a signal right here. The buy stop got triggered and we're pushing up nice on the 15-minute chart. If we look here, it's the USD Yen. We're green across the board, and we'll just have a look and see if we can hit the 2-to-1 target. So it's coming up pretty nice so far. Anyways, that is it for this preview of the scanner. Like I said, I'm hopefully going to have the indicator package updated for Wednesday, or coming out Wednesday. If not, I'll have it updated for the weekend. So I just want to waiting to test out the new UFX trend report EA and make sure that the functions are working properly, and I took out a couple bugs. So stay tuned. If you're not a member, become a member. You can get this EA, the scanner, the complete indicator package, join the crypto room, and go from there. Anyways, we'll talk to you guys later. Okay, so if you guys are interested on joining, at the bottom of this video, you can scroll down just a little bit and you can see this join button. If you click on the join button, you're going to see two options here. You're going to see the Access Live plus Crypto Chat. And I've just created this Crypto Chat here about a month ago. So for the new year, there's a couple things within this. We're doing 40 currency pairs, or crypto pairs, sorry. I'll show you the list right here, the purple list, and you can see these are all of the cryptos that we're currently watching, and it's all based on the daily charts here. So one of the ones that was recently gotten into was this one, and also LRC. So right here you can see. So we do have 40 cryptos that we are watching in this room, and it's based off of the daily. So if you are interested in joining that, it is simply $4.99 a month. Very, very cheap. And there is another thing, part of this here, that I'll be getting into a bit more with the CFX here as well. So it's kind of going hand in hand with this. However, you don't need to do the CFX. You can just do the crypto. And then if you want the MT4 indicators plus EA, then that is $14.99 a month. And you can just hit the join button and you will be good to go. Contact me via Telegram, and you will get the strategies EA and ready to be downloaded via Telegram. Okay, we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.